I don't know what's finna happen today, but this is all the garbage that was in my room, and that looks fucking nasty, doesn't it? This motherfucker's cleaning the carpet.
Van a tener novio pinche gallina.
They got packs here, bro. So we got all the M3s right there. And then if you want a sweater, you better get all the sweaters before they're gone, because they're gonna go fast, bro. So we somehow convinced my dad to get the M3 for me. Hit the record button, motherfucker.
Dale, güey.
Alright, so I got the M3, bro, and I'm about to put this shit on a cut.
What? Come on, Dave. That's nice.
Fuck you.
I like it.
Thank
You might get your dick sucked now.
I know, bro. Go for less, bro, and get some groceries. Hey, Hector.
What?
If you weren't my dad, I couldn't afford this jacket. So I just got the M3 Steady Nature, bro. Woo! You gotta measure your highs with your lows, you know? Like, I got this really nice Steady Nature jacket, but you see my mom walking around the streets being homeless, and that's not cool. That's not fun to see. So remember, your highs have to weigh the same as your lows, or your life is not balanced. Yeah, but it is what it is, bro.
What the fuck?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing pretty good. Hey, what's up, everybody? If you guys like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Little circle right over here somewhere for subscribing, or you can subscribe down there in that little box below. Here's some more videos for you guys to watch, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Oh, there's also links down below for the Steady Nature website and usernames for the Steady Nature guys, so you guys can go and buy your own Steady Nature gear too. But stay tuned for tomorrow. Come on, Carrot. Woo! Oh, and Carrot didn't even come down the fucking slide. Fuck that.